For thousands of years, humans have been obsessed with this shiny yellow metal. Kings built their empires around it. Explorers crossed dangerous oceans to find it. Entire civilizations rose and fell because of it. Even today, people invest billions of dollars in gold every year. But here's something surprising. Gold isn't actually the rarest metal on Earth. In fact, there are metals like platinum, rhodium, and palladium that are much rarer than gold. So if gold isn't extremely rare, why does it remain one of the most valuable materials in human history? Why do countries store tons of it in secret vaults? And why do people still see gold as the ultimate symbol of wealth? To understand this mystery, we need to look at science, history, psychology, and economics. And by the end of this video, you might realize that gold's value is not just about rarity, but something much deeper. The 6,000-year love story between humans and gold. Humans discovered gold more than 6,000 years ago. Unlike many other metals, gold can be found in nature in its pure form. Early humans didn't need advanced tools to discover it. Imagine ancient people walking near a river and suddenly spotting a bright yellow metal shining in the sunlight. That metal was gold. Because gold was beautiful and shiny, ancient civilizations quickly began to value it. The Egyptians were among the first to use gold extensively. They believed gold was the flesh of the gods. Pharaohs were buried with enormous amounts of gold so they could take their wealth into the afterlife. One of the most famous examples is King Tutankhamun, whose tomb contained massive amounts of gold artifacts. Later, the Romans used gold to create coins that helped power their empire. Gold quickly became something more than decoration. It became money. And once a material becomes money, its importance multiplies. The scientific properties that make gold special. Now let's look at the scientific reasons why gold became so valuable. Gold has several unique properties that make it incredibly useful. One of the most important features of gold is its chemical stability. Most metals react with air, water, or chemicals. Iron rusts, silver tarnishes, copper turns green. But gold? Gold stays the same. Even after thousands of years, gold can look exactly as it did when it was first created. Archaeologists often find ancient gold jewelry that still shines like it was made yesterday. This durability makes gold perfect for storing wealth over long periods of time. Gold is one of the most flexible metals known to humans. Just 1 gram of gold can be hammered into a sheet that covers nearly 1 square meter. It can also be stretched into extremely thin wires. This property made gold incredibly useful for jewelry makers and artists. Even today, gold leaf is used to decorate buildings, statues, and artwork. Gold has a very distinct color and shine. Very few metals naturally have that deep yellow glow. This made gold easy for ancient people to recognize. Unlike other materials that might look similar, gold was almost impossible to fake in ancient times. That made it perfect for use as currency. Gold might not be the rarest metal, but it still is limited. Scientists estimate that all the gold ever mined in human history could fit inside about 3 Olympic swimming pools. That's surprisingly small. Because the supply of gold is limited, its value remains relatively stable. The gold rush that changed the world. Gold has influenced some of the most dramatic events in human history. In the 1800s, the discovery of gold triggered massive migrations. One of the most famous events was the California Gold Rush of 1848. When gold was discovered in California, hundreds of thousands of people rushed there hoping to become rich. Cities grew overnight. Some people became incredibly wealthy, but many others lost everything chasing gold. This shows how powerful the idea of gold became. It wasn't just a metal anymore. It was a dream of wealth and opportunity. The psychological power of gold. For thousands of years, gold has been associated with wealth, power, success, royalty, and prestige. Kings wore gold crowns. Winners receive gold medals. Luxury brands use gold in their logos and designs. Over time, society developed a powerful belief: gold equals success. And when billions of people believe something has value, that belief itself becomes incredibly powerful. Gold and the global economy. Even in modern times, gold still plays an important role in the global economy. Central banks around the world store thousands of tons of gold in their reserves. Countries like the United States, Germany, and China hold massive gold reserves. Why? Because gold is seen as a safe asset during economic uncertainty. When inflation rises or financial markets become unstable, many investors buy gold to protect their wealth. This is why gold is often called a safe haven asset. Gold in modern technology. Gold is not only valuable for jewelry and investment, it is also extremely useful in technology. Because gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and does not corrode, it is used in many electronic devices. Gold can be found in smartphones, computers, medical equipment, satellites, and spacecraft. In fact, NASA uses gold in spacecraft because it reflects radiation and protects equipment in space. So even though gold is often associated with luxury, it also plays a practical role in modern technology. The downsides of gold. Despite its advantages, gold is not perfect. There are several downsides that people should understand. Unlike stocks or businesses, gold does not generate income. It doesn't pay dividends. It doesn't produce cash flow. Its value depends entirely on market demand. This means gold investors rely on the price going up over time. Gold mining can cause serious environmental problems. Large mines often destroy natural landscapes. Chemicals like mercury and cyanide are used to extract gold from rocks. These chemicals can contaminate rivers and harm wildlife. In some regions, gold mining has caused long-term environmental damage. Many people believe gold is always stable, but gold prices can fluctuate significantly. There have been periods where gold prices remained stagnant for years. So while gold can protect against inflation, it is not always the best investment for rapid growth. The real reason gold is valuable. So after looking at history, science, and economics, what is the real reason gold is valuable? The answer is actually a combination of several factors. Gold has unique physical properties, limited supply, thousands of years of cultural importance, and strong global trust. But perhaps the most powerful reason is this: human belief. Gold became valuable because societies around the world agreed that it represents wealth. And once that belief was established, it became deeply embedded in human culture. And that belief continues to influence economies even today. The future of gold. As technology evolves, some people wonder whether gold will lose its importance. New assets like cryptocurrencies have emerged, and some investors call Bitcoin digital gold. But gold has something that cryptocurrencies do not have yet: thousands of years of trust. It has survived wars, economic crises, and the collapse of empires. And that long history makes gold incredibly resilient. Conclusion: strong ending. Gold might not be the rarest metal on Earth, but it certainly is one of the most fascinating. From ancient pharaohs to modern investors, gold has remained a powerful symbol of wealth and stability. Its unique properties, limited supply, and deep cultural significance have made it one of the most valuable materials in human history. And as long as humans continue to trust it, gold will likely remain one of the world's most desired metals. But now I want to ask you a question. Do you think gold will always remain valuable, or could something else replace it in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating content.